cube root of 1, nothing but unity. Cube root of unity means here, already we discussed about these the roots. So what are the roots? We have got it. X is equal to 1 omega square. X is equal to 1 omega nothing but -1 plus root 3 into iota by 2, and omega square value is -1 minus root 3 iota by 2. So everyone must be remember these three roots. These three roots are called cube root of unity, right? These are the roots for x cube is equal to 1. Fine. Based on this, a few questions are there here. Yeah, questions. Yeah.
Sir, can you show that 1 minute?
I'll show. I'll just. If possible, I'll be post that COQ solutions today of complex numbers. See, students, I already posted sequence and series solutions NCERT. Did you see that? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Cube root of unity we will discuss. Yeah. Question number 64. So all questions actually, these are the easy. I'll explain you in most easiest way. Let's see here. See, when I adding these three rows, I already written the properties. So what are the property? I have written 1 plus omega square value is what? 0. And I told you omega cube is equal to 1. In the same way, omega power 3n is equal to 1. And this belongs to z. So these are the properties I have written, like, and also omega is equal to square root of omega square, and omega square is equal to square root of omega. We may write like this also. And if I take omega as this value, omega as this value, when I cross multiply 2 omega is equal to -1 plus root 3 iota. And 2 omega square can be written as -1 minus root 3 iota. We may write it different way also, right? Fine. So these are the properties, general properties we having for cube root of unity. Okay, students. Fine. With help of that, see here, from this equation 1, I may write two more properties. Shall I write like this? What is 1 plus omega? Shall I write minus omega square? Yes. What is 1 plus omega square? Shall I write minus omega? Yes, we can write, which implies that minus omega square, then only plus omega square can be written as 1 plus omega. Minus of 1 plus omega, yes, we can write. And minus omega, I want to know just omega, minus 1 plus omega square. We can write in many ways. It's depending on the question. Depending on the question, you can take any one of that. So let's see here. 1 plus omega square is there here. 1 plus omega square is there. What is 1 plus omega square value, Amma? Anyone? 1 plus omega.
Minus omega.
Minus omega square into what about
minus
this?
omega. Minus omega.
Okay. Minus omega. What is this value? Minus omega into minus omega square. Value becomes minus omega cube. Minus into minus plus omega cube. What is omega cube value?
1.
1. So the first two terms becomes 1. Then what about next two terms? Omega power 4 nothing but again omega. Omega power 8 nothing but omega square. Do you understand? Omega power 8. So here omega power 8 can be written as omega power 6. Omega square. What is omega power 6? Multiple of 3 always becomes 1. I already written condition omega power to omega power like 3n is equal to 1. So 2 into 3 like that. So this is omega square. So anyhow, what is the product of next two terms? Again, first two terms should be equal to second two terms. Right? This is also 1. Like that, how many terms are there totally? 2n. 2n means even. Nothing but easier will get the answer will be 1 into 1 into 1 into 2n times. It may be any times. What is the one only answer? Is it clear, students? It will be repeated. It will be repeated n times. 1 plus omega square will be 1. In the same way, 1 plus omega 4 nothing but 1 plus omega. 1 plus omega power 8 nothing but 1 plus omega square. Nothing but the product of next to two terms also 1. Like that, the answer will be 1. Now, 65.
How 1 plus omega power 4 is 1 plus omega?
Yeah, I'll tell you. Very good. See, student, like that, if you're having any doubts, don't feel shy. You can ask like that. 1 plus omega power 4. 1 plus omega power 4 can be written as omega into omega cube into omega. Okay.
Okay.
What is omega cube? 1 into omega. That is nothing but 1 plus omega. Okay, right. So the answer. Next one is sine of omega power 10. Anyone student, what is omega power 10? That is my question.
Sir, omega cube into omega, sir. We can write omega alone.
Omega power 9 into omega. What is omega power 9? 9 is multiple of 3.
1.
Okay, the power is multiple of 3. It will be 1. So this is omega, right? Finally, this is omega. Fine, okay. What is omega power 23?
Omega square.
Omega power 21 into omega square, because 21 is multiple of 3. So that this is 1. 1 into omega square is omega square. So this is, what about this omega square? See, student, what is omega plus omega square?
-1.
So this is the with help of this property, omega plus omega square value is -1. So shall I replace here -1? -1 into pi minus pi by 4. Nothing but finally, here we are getting sine of minus pi by 4. This we have to get it, right? Okay, we got this is -1 into pi is minus pi by 4. And here minus is common. When it minus common, minus of pi minus pi plus pi by 4. That is nothing but see what is sine minus theta? Minus sine theta. Minus sine pi plus pi by 4. What is sine 180 plus theta? It is in the form of 180 plus theta. What is sine 180 plus theta?
Sin theta.
Minus sine theta. Okay. But anyhow,
Yes,
minus
sir,
into minus plus. Minus into minus anyhow plus. What is sine pi by 4? 1 by root 2. Sine 45. Right? The answer is what?
1 by root 2.
The first option. It's a simple question. See, omega power 10 is omega power 23 is omega square, omega plus omega square is -1. -1 into pi minus 1. Otherwise, you know, minus 180 minus 45, that is minus 225. Take minus outside. Minus sign 225. 225 is -1 by root 2 because third quadrant sign is negative. You may do like that also. Right, students, here, yeah. What about this? Must be remember, what about this quadratic equation? Yes or no? X cube is equal to 1. When I take x cube, -1 is equal to 0. When I write 1 as 1 cube, a cube minus b cube, a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square is equal to 0. Nothing but. So one of the root is 1. What are the other two roots of this cube root of unity? 1 omega
Omega and
square.
omega square.
Yes, the roots of the given quadratic equation x square plus x plus 1 is omega square. So here also same equation they have given. Student, remember, you must be remember because no need to find the roots here. So if you remember this quadratic equation and roots omega square, it is better. Otherwise minus b plus or minus b square minus 4 is okay, it is lengthy. So for this quadratic equation, the roots are omega square. Either in place of x substitute omega or omega square. Omega or omega square. Let's see, what is the given expression here? Yeah, tell me my equation. X plus 1 by x.
The whole square.
Oh, okay, the whole square, right. Plus x square plus 1 by x square, the whole square. Plus so on. Till what? X power 27 plus
27.
1 by, yeah, 27 all to the power of 2. Right, students, when I take x is equal to omega, substitute here. X okay omega. What is 1 by x? Anyone? 1 by omega. How can you change the standard form? I want to multiply and dividing with omega square, because then only denominator becomes 1. Omega square by omega cube. What is omega cube value? Omega 1. So finally 1 by omega is omega square. What is 1 by omega square? 1 by omega square into omega by omega again. Now omega is the answer. So 1 by omega becomes omega square, and 1 by omega square becomes omega. So with help of this, when I substitute in place of x omega, this is 1 by omega. Omega square, 1 by omega square. Omega power 27. 27 is multiple of what?
3, sir.
3. So that it will becomes 1 plus 1 actually. So like anyhow, let's see here. Omega plus shall I write omega square? This 1 by omega become, when I substitute in place of x as omega, 1 by omega is omega square. Okay. Omega square plus 1 by omega square. 1 by omega square becomes actually omega. Here, next term is omega cube, 1 by omega cube. All to the power of 2 plus so on. I'm taking just first 3 terms. Total number of terms, how many are there? 27. X power 1 to x power 27, nothing but total number of terms are 27. In that first, I'm simplifying the first 3 terms. What about this omega
Sir,
plus omega square?
-1.
Yes, minus 1 the whole square plus. What is this 1 by omega square means omega. Again omega plus omega square, minus 1 whole square. Then what is omega cube? 1. What is 1 omega cube?
2 square.
1. That is 2 square. So what about this answer, Amma? 1 plus 1 plus 4. Nothing but 6. Okay.
Into 9, sir.
Exactly. The sum of the first 3 terms is 6. It will be repeated how many times? For every 3 terms will become
9.
6. 9. So 27 can be written as 9 into 3. This value becomes 6. So 9 into 6, shall I write 54? Once again, I'm taking the first 3 terms. These 3 terms will be repeated next time. Okay. How many times it will be repeat? Total number of terms 27. So 9 times will be repeat. So 9 into 6, 54. I hope that it is very clear. Okay, students. Right, next. Okay, anyone, just now have written one condition like here. Just can you tell me the question number 67, student, fastly? 1 minus
1
plus 3 iota, root 3 iota.
Okay.
whole power 15, sir.
15 by
1 minus iota,
whole power
20. 20.
Okay, 20 plus
Minus iota. So sorry, sir. Minus 1 minus iota root 3 by
whole
1
power
plus iota.
whole
15.
power is
15,
what?
sir.
Same
15.
15 only. Yeah? Okay, fine. Then 1 plus iota all to the power of 20, right? See, student, just now I have written here something. Yeah. What do you observe here? What is the value of minus 1 plus root 3 iota? This value? Shall I write 2 omega?
2 omega.
This is, shall I write 2 omega square? Look at here. Minus 1 minus root 3, 2 omega square. Shall I replace? With help of this one, like cross multiply. Omega is equal like I cross multiply. Okay, so you must remember, because already here the 2 omega whole power 15, 2 omega square whole power 15. And fine. A numerator is becomes 2 omega all to the power of 15 plus 2 omega square all to the power of 15. Fine. By, see, 1 minus iota whole power 20, shall I write to whole square whole power 10? I want to simplify individually. So what is the value of 1 minus iota whole square? 1 plus iota square minus 2i whole power 10. See here, iota square is minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1
minus
cancel.
2y, sir.
minus 2 the whole power 10.
That is 2 power 10 into I power 10. I power 10 value nothing but again. Yes. What about I power 10 value?
1 and things, sir.
So I power 10, is it 10 is multiple of 4? I power
No,
4,
sir.
I power 8. So this is I square will get. I power 10 can be written as I power 8 into I square. 8 is the multiple of 4. Since we know that I power 4 is always equal to 1 when n is belongs to z. Multiple of 4, it will becomes 1. So I square value is minus 1. Nothing but the answer will be minus 2 power 10. Because I power 10 is minus 1. Minus 1 into 2 power 10 minus 2 power 10 by. So what about the 1 plus iota square in the same way? 1 plus iota whole square
Same,
is
sir.
equal.
Minus 2 power 10.
Get cancel these two iota.
Sir, here you will get 2 power 10, sir. That's all.
2 power 10. That's all.
Sir, but minus 2 the whole power 10 and 2 power 10 are same only, no, sir.
So minus 2 power 10 is the correct. Because you know whole power even is there. Even. So that finally we'll get same value. So here what is the common in numerator? Common in numerator.
2 omega whole power 15.
2 power 15 and omega power 15. Okay, you can take omega power 15. Right, that is nothing but 1 plus your omega power 15. Am I right, students? By and common is here minus 2 whole power 10. So when I cancel these two, 2 power 10, 2 power 10 get cancelled. So remaining value is minus 2 power 5. What is omega power 15? Is 15 is multiple of 3 or not?
1, sir.
1 is 1 plus omega power 15 is multiple of 3 or not? 1. So what is the answer here? What is minus 2 power 6? Is it minus
64,
That's
sir.
it. Simple. So here the thing
Sir,
is
positive 64, sir.
positive 64 or negative
Minus 2
64?
the whole power 6 only, no, sir.
Minus 2 power 6. It is not minus 2 whole power 6 now. So this is negative,
Okay,
minus 6, minus 64. So here the thing is we don't know. See, if it is the power is up to 3 whole square whole cube max we can remember whole power 4, but if whole power 15 is there, whole power 20 is there, is it easy to expand?
The
Whole power
formula
15.
itself will come for 4 lanes or 5 lanes.
Yeah, so like that it is not easy. So you must be remember omega square values. Then only you can do easily this kind of question. So this kind of question only they'll give in exam generally. Right, student, this is already JEE question, I think so. Once they asked the question, I remembered it. This is clearly JEE question. They're asking A comma B value. What is A comma B? So what is the condition they have given? 1 plus omega whole power 7. 1 plus omega whole power 7 is equal to A plus B omega. I think so. Yeah, right. This is a JEE question, right? How can you find A comma B? Since we know that 1 plus omega square value is what's 0. From this omega plus 1 plus omega values, shall I write minus omega square? Shall I replace here in place of 1 plus omega? Yes, minus omega square whole power 7 is equal to A plus B into omega. Here minus omega power 14 is equal to A plus B omega. So minus omega power 14 value is what? Minus omega power 12 into omega square. What is omega power 12 value? 12 is multiple of 3. Then the value becomes, yes, students?
1.
Minus omega square.
Sir, minus
1
1, no, sir.
minus 1 into omega square, minus omega square.
Okay.
This is 1. 1 into omega square, omega square. What is
Sir,
minus
minus
omega
omega
square?
square is 1 plus omega square.
Again 1 plus omega. Right, now you can comparing on both sides. What are the a comma b values?
1, comma 1.
That's all. Simple, that's all. Right? The answer will be this. Clear, students? Right, next. The last question, question number 69, they given sixth root of unity. X is equal to, it can be written as sixth root of unity, not cube root of unity, sixth root. Okay, anyhow, let's see. Here alpha
Sir,
is
x
the
power 3 to the whole power 2 we can write now, sir.
whole power 2, you can use that, or else we may write simply the formula directly. So x power 6 is equal to 1 they have given. So this is clearly alpha is the root of this equation. So that shall I substitute here alpha? Alpha for 6 is equal to 1 because alpha is a root. Whenever alpha is a non-real root means alpha must be satisfies this equation. Alpha power 6 is equal to 1 because alpha is a root. Fine. So alpha power 6 minus 1 is it. So shall I write 1 as 1 power 6? Okay, simply remember here, whenever the formula is like this, students, so here you have to remember that this can be written as alpha minus 1, like it is like alpha cube and like x cube minus a cube formula, x minus a into like that. So here shall I write alpha minus 1 into alpha power 5 plus alpha power 4 plus 5 4 3 2 1 like that, alpha cube plus alpha power 2 plus alpha plus 1 is equal to 0. If it is alpha power 16, let us consider 16 minus 1. Alpha minus 1 into alpha power 15, 14, 13, like that we can write. This is one of the property, right? With help of this, alpha minus 1 is equal to 0. This is one of the root. Another one is, okay, question you can observe. What is the numerator they have given? Alpha power 5, 3, 1. Okay, fine. In the question, they have mentioned that alpha power 5, alpha power 3, alpha power 1 and 1. So other than these alpha power 5, alpha q, alpha plus 1, remaining value you can take it right. So that is minus alpha square minus alpha power 4. Clear, students? Okay, shall I write like this? So either alpha minus 1 is equal to 0 or it's this value. So is there any common, students? Shall I take minus alpha square is common? Minus alpha square is remaining alpha square plus 1. So now numerator in place of this alpha power 5, alpha q, alpha, in that place I need to substitute.
The answer is minus alpha square, sir.
Yeah, obviously minus alpha square into alpha square plus 1 by alpha square plus 1 get cancelled. This is minus alpha square. See, student, with help of this I found this alpha power 5, 3, 1, alpha 1 and I substituted here. That's it. The answer is minus alpha q. Having any doubts? Simple. I have taken alpha power 6 minus 1 formula. From that I have taken, so alpha square and alpha power for right side. Then LHS clearly is the numerator of a given question. Okay. Just a moment, students. Because I coding. No. Yes, students. Okay, that is about like cube root of unity. Is that clear, students, for everyone? Yes, Amma? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, fine. So now let us see about De Moivre's theorem. This is nothing but cos alpha I sin alpha all to the power of n. This we know that e to the power of I alpha. Okay. So cos theta plus iota times of sin theta can be written as e power I theta.
We can
Okay.
write as theta also, no, sir. Cos theta plus I sin.
Yeah, we can write in many ways cis theta also. So cis theta all to the power of n is equal to like C students here. There are few formulas are there. Cis theta whole power n can be written as cis n theta. Cis theta all to the power of minus n is equal to, we can written as cis minus n theta. Okay. And like this, cis theta nothing but what? Cos theta plus iota sin theta. For example, all to the power of n, I have written cos n theta plus iota times of sin n theta. Cos theta minus I sin theta all to the power of n is equal to cos minus n theta. Okay, what is cos minus theta? Cos theta. So cos n theta plus minus iota times of C. Generally, here plus only you can take, but here I am taking minus n. When I replace in place of theta minus n into theta, means we can just multiply whatever the power is there, this power you can multiply to theta. So this is n theta, this is n theta. Here minus n into theta, minus n into theta. Right, students? So here cos of minus n theta plus iota times of sine of minus n theta. So cos of minus n theta nothing but cos n theta plus sine of minus n theta means minus I sine n theta. Okay. Okay, students, right. So in the same way, there are few more properties. Cos theta minus I sin theta all to the power of plus n. In that case also we are going to get same. And in case here, like finally, if I take cos theta minus iota sin theta all to the power of minus n, becomes what? This one. Because you know cos of minus theta becomes plus cos theta. Plus cos theta. Fine. So in the same way, like that, properties are there. These properties, you have to remember that. De Morgan. These are the properties we're having. Okay, right. We'll do the problem. These are the important properties. Right here, C students. Like and also there are few formulas are there. Already I have written cis theta 1 into cis theta 2. Shall I write cis theta 1 plus theta 2? Yes, cis theta 1 by cis theta 2. Shall I write cis theta 1 minus theta 2? Okay, right. So you have to remember these properties. With help of this, shall I write this is cis 40? Yes, students. So I'm coming from
Yes, sir.
last onwards. So these can be written as 3 into 6, 40.
Sir,
4
what is
into
the theorem, sir?
De Moivre's theorem. This is just for, we don't have an NCRT, just we having an only OBT. De Moivre's theorem. Okay, the name. The name means the complex number we can express in terms of cis. Okay, cos theta plus iota times of sine theta can be expressed as cis theta, or else this can be written as e power I theta. So we can represent this cos theta plus iota sine theta is in terms of e power I theta. Then this theorem is called De Moivre's theorem. Okay, the same concept only we are having. Only the thing is, whatever the formulas I have written, these are the formulas which is belongs to the theorem. Okay. So cos theta always positive because cos of minus theta also plus cos theta, even function. Due to that reason, it is even function. Sine is a hard function, right? So here 3 into 4. What about 3 into 4, students? 3 into 4.
Sir, answer is fourth option, sir.
Yeah, 3 into 4 is 12. This is cis 40 into cis 80. Cis 40, this is in the form of cis theta 1 into cis theta 2. What is the formula? Cis theta 1 into cis theta 2.
Cis of theta 1 plus theta 2.
Exactly. So 40 plus 80, 12 into 6, 40 plus 80 is 120. 120. So 120 means, see here, 12 times of cis 120 we got. Cis 120 means 12 times of cos 120 plus iota times of sine 120. 12 times of cos 120. What is cos 120? Minus 1 by 2 plus second quadrant sine is positive root 3 by 2 I. Nothing but the answer is when I take 1 by 2 is common. Shall I write 6 into minus 1 plus root 3 times of I? Clear, student? Yes or no? The answer will be which option?
Fourth option.
Exactly. So what I have done once again, student, those are not understand. CMI. This can be written as cis 40. This is cis 80. Cis theta 1 into cis theta 2. Cis theta 1 plus theta 2. So 3 into 4, 12, 12. Cis 1, 120. Cis 120 means cos 120 plus iota times of sine 120. Like that, we have that. Next,
Sir, can you show that formula alone?
formulas around, right? I've written few formulas here. Remember the formula. Cis theta whole power n.
Okay, sir.
Okay, ma. So this
Yes.
question, in this question actually, look at here. P, what is the value of P here? P,
Sir,
anyone?
we can substitute alpha and beta values.
Yeah, shall I write here P value as cis 2 alpha? Cos 2 alpha, I said. Q value as cis 2 beta. Yes, yes or no? And okay, shall I write this can be written as cis 2 alpha can be written as cis alpha to the power of 2. Yeah, I already written formula. Cis theta all to the power of n can be written as cis n theta. With help of that, cis, we can write reverse also. This n theta can be written as cis theta whole power n. So cos 2 alpha plus I sin 2 alpha, I have written cis 2 alpha. This is cis 2 beta. From that, shall I write cis alpha the whole square? Yes. Q shall I write cis beta the whole square? Yes. So is that clear? Right. Now, so what is root P then? What is root P? Cis alpha. What is root Q? Cis beta. Yes or no? Now the question is root P by root Q plus root Q by root P. Now you can take LCM. Root P root Q is
Sir,
LCM.
minus, sir.
P square plus Q square.
Sir,
Yes.
root P by root Q minus of root Q
Okay.
minus root
Okay.
P.
Minus is there. So here minus. Now students, with help of this, all of you simplify this.
Sir,
All of
for
you
that we
Sir,
can simplify
numerator
by
P minus Q, sir.
numerator is
Sir, you have
okay.
written P square minus Q square, sir. It is P minus Q.
Okay, fine. Right, that I'm thinking. Okay, cos 2 alpha, Q value you can substitute cos 2 beta. Then this value whole PQ will write. So substitute cos alpha, cos beta, and this you can simplify with help of that. This you can simplify. See, we know very clearly cos alpha minus beta, cos alpha plus beta, sin alpha minus. So the answer we will get third option. You can try this. If you're not getting, tomorrow I can explain you. Okay. So 54. Let's see student. A cube. What is A cube, Mama? Shall I write cis alpha whole cube? Shall I write cis 3 alpha? Yeah, students. Simple question. It is simple question. Okay, given data is A is equal to cis alpha. A is equal to cis alpha. B is equal to cis beta. C is equal to cis gamma. Yeah. A cube B cube by C square. Cis alpha whole cube, cis beta whole cube by cis gamma whole square. Yeah, shall I write this is cis 3 alpha? Shall I write cis with help of the properties cis 3 beta by cis 2 gamma? Yes. Okay, this is in the form of cis theta 1, theta 2. Cis theta 1 into cis theta 2 formula is cis of theta 1 plus theta 2 by cis 2 gamma. Yeah, this is again in the form of cis theta 1 by cis theta 2. What is the formula I have written? Cis theta 1 by cis theta 2 is cis theta
This
1
theta 1 minus theta 2.
So 3 alpha plus 3 beta minus 2 gamma. Once again, I substituted A, B, C values and I applied cis theta whole power n formula, cis n theta. So with help of that, we got cis theta 1 into cis theta 2 form, cis theta 1 plus theta 2, like that. Okay. So finally, what is the answer? Second option. Am I right?
Sir, can you show once again?
Okay. A, B, C values are given. I substituted, I apply the properties. That's all.
Sir, 1 minute, sir, copy.
Yeah, you can copy. Just I'm seeing the next question. Yeah. X is equal to cos cis alpha and x plus y plus z is equal to 0. 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z. What?
Completed, sir.
Yeah. So your next question is x, y, z values are given. X plus y plus z is equal to 0. What is 1 by x, 1 by y, 1 by z? Yeah. Student, what is x value? Shall I substitute here? Shall I write cis alpha? 1 by cis beta? 1 by cis gamma? Okay, what is the yeah property? Remember, student, 1 by cis theta can be written as cis minus theta. This is the property because you know
minus alpha minus beta plus
yes, exactly, cis of minus alpha plus cis of minus beta plus cis of minus gamma. And one more property, cis of minus theta can be written as here only minus cis theta. Only few properties like this, just remember, it is easy to remember. Okay, it's not a cos minus theta. Cis of minus theta become minus cis theta. First, 1 by cis theta can be written as cis of minus theta. So that cis of minus theta can be written as minus cis theta. Okay. So like that, so minus cis alpha,
0, sir.
obviously. Take minus common. When I take minus common, this is nothing but x plus y plus z. What is x plus y plus z they have given? 0. 0. Once again, they have given x, y, z value and x plus y plus z is equal to, they given 0 condition, 0. And 1 by x, 1 by y, 1 by z, we need to find 1 by cis alpha, 1 by cis beta, 1 by cis gamma. Cis of minus alpha, cis of minus beta, cis of minus gamma. Okay. Okay, students. So here minus cis alpha, because 1 by cis alpha can be written minus cis alpha. You can simply remember that. The property directly. 1 by cis theta can be written as minus cis theta. Minus cis alpha, cis beta, cis gamma. So take minus common, and this is x, this is y, this is z. So finally the answer is 0. Any doubts, students? Right. Okay, fine. 56 z is cis theta is given. This is cis theta I'm taking. Yes, students, what is z they have given? Cis theta. And we need to find z power 2n minus 1 by z power 2n plus 1. Okay, right. See here, I want to do one thing. I want to dividing with z power n, numerator and denominator. So when I divide each term with z power n, shall I write z power n minus 1 by z power n by z power n plus 1 by z power n. Okay, now you can substitute cis theta. Cis theta whole power n minus 1 by cis theta whole to the power of n by same cis theta whole power n plus 1 by cis theta whole to the power of n. Cis theta whole power n. Shall I write cis n theta minus cis minus n theta by, no, just now I have written formula 1 by cis theta can be written minus cis theta. So otherwise, do one thing. I am going to write one more step so you can easily understand. 1 by cis n theta by and cis n theta plus 1 by cis n theta. This cis n theta you can take into numerator. Cis n theta minus cis minus n theta.
Sir, plus will only convert.
Minus to minus, it will be plus. Okay, fine. So here denominator cis n theta plus cis minus n theta. So since cis n theta, here minus to minus, since we know that cis of minus theta is minus cis theta, minus to minus plus cis n theta by cis n theta
0.
minus cis n theta. It is 0. Is it 0? Let's see. See here,
Undefined, sir.
because you know here the answer they are given in terms of tan and cot. Tan and
Sir,
cot.
I tan and theta only will come, sir, because tan
Yeah.
theta will be infinite.
Shall I write here like this? Sin n theta cos n theta plus I sin n theta by cos n theta plus I sin n theta minus cos n theta minus I sin n theta. I converted in terms of sin and cos because they asked the option in terms of tan. So what it will be cancel in? Okay. Minus to minus plus here. Okay, fine. And
Sir, in denominator, I think plus I sin theta will come.
yeah, I'll do this. Okay, so theta is power minus theta. Oh, okay. 1 by z power n. Yeah, students, I'll do one thing here. I want to write directly here. Without applying this, without applying that, I'll do one thing here. Here itself, I want to apply the formula. Look at here, students. What is the cos n theta? Cos cos n theta plus iota sin n theta minus cis of minus theta. So cos n theta minus will be there. Cos of minus n theta is cos n theta only. That is the reason I have written directly. So minus plus sine of minus n theta. Minus n theta is minus sine theta. By denominator cos n theta plus iota times of sine n theta plus cos n theta plus sine of minus n theta.
Sir, for that we can write sin minus sin of n theta, no, sir.
Yes, next step I am going to write. I plan to write directly. Sometimes we might be confused. Cos n theta plus iota times of n theta. Now minus cos n theta. This is minus, actually sine of minus theta is minus sine theta. Minus into minus plus sine n theta. Yes, we can write. Denominator is this will be cancelled because this is minus sine n theta, this plus sine theta. Here cos get cancelled. Here sine get cancelled. Denominator is 2 cos n theta. Numerator is 2i sine n theta by 2 cos n theta. 2 get cancelled. I times of tan n theta. See, students, while doing simplification, you should do very carefully. So because you know z power 2n they have given, so that what I have done, multiply and dividing with z power n, so z power n minus 1 by z power n, or z power n plus 1 by z power n. So cis theta, z value already given, I substituted, I applied the cis power n theta, that is cis n theta. Cis theta whole power n can be written as cis n theta. So 1 by cis n theta can be written as cis of minus theta, right? So cis n theta I have written cos n theta plus iota times of n theta. We got the answer. Okay, ma? I'll be post this slide in your class, no problem. Next one. Say this is nothing but
Sir, one minute, can you show that, sir?
yeah. De Morgan means cos theta plus iota times of sine theta can be written as cis theta, or else it can be written as e to the power of I theta. This is called De Mor's theorem. Properties are there. This cis theta 1 into cis theta 2 is equal to cis theta 1 plus theta. These properties are there, you have to remember.
So what is that last before step, sir? 12 2 or 2i sin theta?
A2, just 2. I sin theta here. I sin theta. I mean sin n theta becomes 2i sin n theta. Then iota will be there. Oh, don't forget to write iota. cos in theta plus iota times of sin in theta.
Completed, sir.
Okay, ma? One plus iota whole power 1 by 2. Okay, right. The value of 1 plus iota whole power 1 by 2 is fourth root of 2. Fourth root of 2. Okay, e to the power of I pi. What is the other value? Okay, fine, students. This is easy one. I can explain you now. Okay, this is about other one. Yeah. First, question number 57. 57. 1 plus iota whole square. One of the root is, one of the value is fourth root of 2.
Sir, 1 plus iota whole power 1 by 2, sir.
Okay, square root. Okay, okay. Square root of 1 plus iota now. Okay. E to the power of iota times of pi by 8. Fine, students. See, simple. What is e power iota theta? Shall I write cos theta plus iota sin theta? Shall I write this is theta? In the same way, fourth root of 2 into e to the power of, shall I write this is cis pi by 8? Cis pi by 8? Yes. Here all to the power of 1 by 2 means here we are going to find two roots. When I take for example z is equal to 1 plus iota whole power 1 by 2, then z square is equal to 1 plus iota. There exist two values. One of the value they have given fourth root to 2 e to the power of 5 into 8. We have to find another. Okay, fine, students. So here cis this value. Okay, fine. Here what is the value? Yeah, fourth root of this value they have given. Simple here. All to the power of pi by 8. Pi by 8 they have given. So this pi by 8, fourth root of 2, shall I write cis of pi by 4 all to the power of 1 by 2? Because you know cis pi by 8 can be written as pi by 4 into 1 by 2. Okay, cis of n theta can be written as cis theta all to the power of n. Cis theta all to the power of n. Okay, ma? So in the same way, I use it that this pi by 8, shall I write 1 by 2 times of pi by 4? This is in the form of cis n theta. Cis n theta is cis theta all power n. So I have written like all to the power 1 by 2. Otherwise, you know, you may substitute directly also, students.
How e power iota pi by 8 became cis 1 by 2, sir?
This
The first step, sir.
yeah, first step is cis pi by 8. Okay, with help of this, e power I theta can be as cis theta. So this is pi by 8. Directly I have written pi by 8. To find any value, everyone you have to remember that. Yeah, there is a property cis of theta can be written as general solution. So general solution of cos theta, sin theta, tan theta we have written in the same way. Cis theta can be written as cis 2k pi plus theta. Both will be same. Because cis theta nothing but what, student? Cos theta plus iota sin theta. Iota sin theta. So cos 2k pi, cos 2k
60
pi,
sir, not cos theta, sir.
yes, cis theta.
Yes, sir.
So okay, iota times of sine. Okay, here k belongs to z. K belongs to z. Okay, substitute k is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, whatever it is for any integer. So cos of 2k pi plus theta becomes cos theta. Sine of 2k pi plus theta becomes sin theta. Shall I equate? So shall I write cos theta plus iota sin theta as cis theta? Cos of 2k pi plus theta I sin 2k pi theta as cis 2k pi plus theta. We can write. So here also same general solution we may write like that. So right. Fourth root of 2 cis of 2k pi plus pi by 8. But according to the given option, if you want to get the given option here, right. So
Sir,
according to the
K we
given,
can take as 1, 2, 3, like that, sir.
yes, 1, 2, 3. But here the thing is, I may write in a different way. I want to write cis pi by 4, the whole square is whole power 1 by 2. Is it okay? Pi by 8. When I multiply these two, pi by 4 into n, that is 1 by 2, pi by 8 with 2. So now I want to apply that property cis. Now general solution 2k pi plus pi by 4. Shall I write like this? Yes, cis theta can be written as cis 2k pi plus theta. This is general solution for every k belongs to z. Fine, student. All to the power of 1 by 2. Now you can multiply cis. This is in the form of cis theta whole power n can be written as cis n theta. I want to apply this is n value, this is theta value. So fourth root of 2 can be written as cis multiplier k pi plus pi by 8. Fourth root of 2, yeah, k pi plus pi by 8. When I take k is equal to 1, k is equal to 1 because k is 0, 1, 2, so on. So take LCM, k is equal to 1, 8 pi plus pi, 9 pi by 8. That's all. So k is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, or it's a depending on the option we have to give k value. 9 pi by 8, this is right. Once again, see students here. Don't
Sir, if they
confuse
have
me here.
given 17 pi by 8, what we can do, sir?
17?
Pi by 8, should we write this or that one, sir?
No. They don't give two correct option at a time. They may give multiple choice correct questions. Only they may give like that. Single choice correct answers, they won't give.
Okay.
Okay, ma? Right. So here in this question, actually, one of the root of 1 plus I whole to the power of 1 by 2 is 4th root 2 of e to the power of I pi by 8. I have written in terms of cis. So pi by 8, I have written pi by 4 whole power 1 by 2. Okay, the general solution I have written cis pi by 4 can be written as cis 2k pi plus pi by 4. Then after I apply cis whole power n theta. This much logically they have given the question. So in complex number, entire complex number, they have given every question is very logical. Simple but logical. If you miss the logical, then you won't get the answer. We cannot do blindly like that. Okay, students? Demos, how many questions are there here? Okay, totally this many questions. Okay, a simple question, students. Question number 63 is there. The common values of sixth roots of unity. Sixth root of unity and cube root of unity are. Only three roots are given, which is common for cube root of unity, sixth root of unity. Nothing but three values are given. This three must be cube root of unity. Which is the correct answer?
First option, sir.
First option, sir.
First option. That's all, because we don't have in omega does not contain three. These two are wrong. But either second option or first option is correct. But in that, -1 is there. -1, then only it is a root. First option, direct question. Okay. Okay, the number of common roots of 15th root of unity, which is also 25th root of unity. 15th root and 25th root generally.
Sir, I think HCF of 5, 15 and 25, 5 is that.
Yes, exactly. That is only we'll do here actually. 15th root and 25th root generally this will come. Highest common factor like that. So here these are the 5 common roots will be there. 5 common roots. For example, like 21 is there and 14 will be there. How many common roots we may get?
7.
7 common roots. Like that you have to remember, students. Okay, this question and all you can do it. This is nothing but 3 pi by 12, unlike nothing but cos 4 pi plus I sin 4 pi value. So what is cos 4 pi, I sin 4 pi? Yes, students.
720 degrees, sir.
Question number. Yeah. Which is the correct option?
First option, sir.
Because see, just multiply here. It is like it can be written as cis theta. Shall I write cis pi by 3 whole to the power of 3 by 4? Yes, cis 3 by 4 into pi by 3. 3 get cancelled.
Then that is 5 by 4 only, sir.
Okay. Pi by 3 get cancelled. What is cos pi by 4?
1 by
1 by root 2.
1 by root 2. Then what about iota side? Continue product of 4 values they ask.
Sir,
Okay.
1 by
same, sir. 1 by root 2.
plus 1.
Okay, continue product of 4 values means next one may be minus, next one may be plus. So a plus b into a minus b. So 1 by root 2 the whole square. I square is -1. So that is plus 1 by root 2. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 1. So the continued product is nothing but plus or minus or continuously. So first one is when I multiply here, 1 by root 2 plus iota times of 1 by root 2 we got. Am I right? Cos 45 plus iota times of 5. Side but 1 by root 2 next minus 1 by root 2 iota will get. Again the same value. So product of these two is what? A plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, that is 2 by 2, this is 1. So generally here what will happen? The product of continuously first two value becomes 1. The same next two values also becomes 1.
So how did you get 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2?
The continuously means you are actually this is when I multiply this to pi by 4. Pi by 4 we are getting in first quadrant. Am I right? So continuously 4 values in second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant, like that we'll get.
Sir, but in third quadrant, both will be negative, no, sir?
Both will be negative. We can take completely outside. Okay, this I can explain you very clearly. So nothing to worry about that. So here few questions we left that question number 61. Here then when theta is equal to pi by 6, then the 10th term of the series. 10th, it is a series. First term, this is second term, this is third term, like that. What is the 10th term they ask? What is the 10th term, Mama? Cos theta plus iota sin theta all to the power of
9.
9 will get. When substitute theta is equal to pi by 6 means what is cos pi by 6?
3 by 2.
Yeah, when I take all to the power of 9, all to the power of 9 they have given. All to the power of 9 means? So
3 power 3 by 2 power 9.
So pi by 3, that is 30, so root 3 by 2 plus I 1 by root 2. So yeah, 10th term alone they ask me. All to the power of 9 is there. 6 to the power of 9. I'll explain you this. Yes. It's simple, not at all difficult. 10th term they asked. Am I right? 10th term. Nothing but cos theta plus iota sin theta all to the power of 9. All to the power of 9. What is theta value? Cos
Pi
3
by 6, root 3 by 2.
pi by 3 plus
Sir, pi by 6.
pi by 6 or pi by 3 they have given. Pi by 6, okay, fine. Pi by 6 iota sine pi by 6. I substitute theta value all to the power of 9. Now I want to apply the De Mor's theorem, like this can be written as cis
6, 9 pi by 6.
pi by 6 all power 9, that
3
is,
pi by 2, sir. 6, 3
yeah,
pi by 2.
yes. So cis finally 3 pi by 2 will get. 3 pi by 2 means cos 3 pi by 2 plus iota sine 3 pi by 2, right? What is cos 3 pi by 2?
0, sir.
Iota times of minus 1, minus iota. So what about, is there any minus iota? Yes, second question, second option. Dear students,
Sir, can you show that sum, sir?
why not? Cis theta cis 9 theta, cis 9 into theta value is pi by 6, that is cis 3 pi by 2. This 3 cis 3 pi by 2 I have written like this. So this De Mor's theorem is very, very useful to us. De Mor's theorem, right?
Sir, can you explain 60th question again, sir?
Which one?
60th question.
60?
Yes, sir. 60.
60, right? Okay. This one. Yeah, this I can explain you after explaining that other concept. What are the question I'm going to explain you, because these are some related to the previous one, the 61. Okay, then 59. Right. What are the questions we need to done? 58 and question number
59.
59 and 60. We need to write some general solution like that, you know. Okay.
Sir, 59, whether it's in GP or not, sir?
59.
It is GP only, no, sir?
GP only. Substitute n is equal to 1, n is equal to 2, n is equal to 3. First, you have to write in terms of cis theta. Cis like pi by 4, cis pi by 16.
Pi by
Like,
16. Pi by
like pi by
64.
like like that. Pi by 4, pi by 4 square, pi by 4 cube, so on like that.
We can
So like
expand that as
that,
6 and theta equals 6 theta whole.
yeah, we can write. So it is a infinite, no? See here.
Then it forms GP. Yes, sir.
59. Yes, it is GP clearly. No. The question is here xn. What is xn they have given you?
Sir, but they have given product, no, sir. How to find that, sir?
4 or n. Xn, product that I'm going to explain you. Okay, here we need to find x1, x2, x3, so on, up to infinite. It is an infinite series. Product, but, right, what is x1? Cis pi by 4. Cis pi by 4 square. Sn, cis pi by 4 cube, so on, up to infinite. Since I have given clear formula, cis theta 1, see nothing but you can consider as cis theta 1, cis theta 2, cis theta 3, so on. This is equal to, shall I write cis
Theta 2 plus
theta
theta
1 plus theta 2 plus theta, so on. Right, Amma? Now
6
with
of
help
5
of
by 4
this,
plus 5 by 4 square.
yes, cis of pi. Pi is also common. Shall I write here? Then cis 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 square plus 1 by 4 cube, so on. So here, what is A value? A value is 1 by 4. The common ratio is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is lesser than 1.
By 4.
Then,
A by
then
1 minus
infinite
R.
series. A by 1 minus R. That's
A by
all.
1 minus R.
That's it. So cis of pi into A by 1 by 4 by 1 minus
1
A by,
is your answer. Cos
the
pi
answer
by 3.
is
Cis pi by 3.
cis pi by 3. What is cis pi
Cis
by
pi by
3?
3.
Cos pi by 3. Iota sine of sine pi by 3. Cos pi by 3 value?
1
Cos
by 2
60 is?
plus I root 3 by 2, sir. I root 3 by 2.
Got it? Which of the option is correct?
First option, sir.
That's all. Okay. Yeah, this is also okay. 4 values means it will be denoted with a pi. Product summation is denoted by sigma and the product is denoted by pi. Okay. So like, so what shall we do here simply? Product, continuity product means, see when I multiply here, cis theta, we got pi by 4. Cis theta pi by 4, when I multiply this 3 by 4. 3 get cancelled, cis pi by 4, we got it. But the product nothing but what, students? Continue product. See, what is the general solution, students? General solution for this.
2k pi plus pi by 4.
2k pi plus pi by 4. K belongs to?
Z, sir.
Yes. So shall I write this value as is 8k pi plus pi by all divided by 4? Continue product of continue values. Product of continue means k is equal to 0, k is equal to 1, k is equal to 2. We have to substitute. When I substitute k is equal to 0, then here cis
Pi by 4.
pi by 4 into product they are asking. Cis 8k
9 pi by
plus
4.
pi, 9 pi by 4. Cis 2, that is
17 pi by 4.
this value you have to find and substitute over here. You will get the answer. Nothing but, this also can be written as cis of like this.
Sir, another value also we need to take, sir. They asked first 4 values.
First 4 values. Continue.
No, sir,
Okay,
no, sir.
4. Continuous 4 values. 4 values only they asked. When a continuously 4 values only they asked. We have to take one other value, as you said, right? Absolutely. Then tell me what is another value
33
next?
pi by 4. 33 pi by 4.
30 pi by 4. Now
33.
17 pi by 4 plus 33 pi by 4. This we have
60
to
pi by 4, sir. 60 pi by 4.
60
60 pi by 4. 15 pi.
10. Okay, that is 15 pi. What is cis 15 pi? So cos 15 pi plus iota sine 15 pi, like that. Okay, students.
One only, sir.
That you can, one only will get. Surely one only will get.
Sir, 1 plus I into 0, sir, so 1.
One only will get. So mostly we completed your D modes and then cube root of unity problems. So I think so in previous classes we completed till question number. I think so question number
23, sir.
23
No, sir,
we completed.
22.
22 now. Okay, let's do this remaining 3 problems and we'll do the argument. So remaining how many problems are there? 26 to till. Okay,
51, sir.
51 means 25 problems are there. 25 problems, right? Okay, students, by tomorrow or day after tomorrow, we'll finish this complex number. We'll go for theory of equation, then we can revise. Right?
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, I joined late due to some internet issues, sir. Sorry, sir.